Greetings and salutations, everybody. I'm Karin Irene, and today I'm going to show you how to do watercolor glue painting. You will receive a canvas board, a bottle of glue, as well as a watercolor kit. I highly recommend grabbing a pad of paper and a pencil so you can draw out your ideas ahead of time. It's important to stick to really simple designs because the glue isn't fine enough to catch every minute detail, and you might find that it's pooling in one area and you'll have to wipe it away. So here I'm trying out some simpler designs like moons and stars. I also play around with a snail here. And I think I'm going to decide to go with the mushroom. I go ahead and set it up next to my canvas and I mark out how big it is so I know where I'm going to start painting. Right here I'm going in by free painting for this mushroom because I wanted to use the glue as white space. I do recommend grabbing some wet wipes. You can go ahead, clean up any extra glue here, straighten lines, and set it aside to dry. If you're less confident in your free drawing skills, you can always sketch straight onto the canvas, like I did here with my rose. And this is with 1 coat of glue, this is with 3 coats of glue, getting it to my desired thickness. The first way to paint this is if you want a dark background. Since I did draw on the canvas and the glue dries clear, I decided to paint into my glue and then when it dried completely, paint over it again. This is going to create the most opaque line for the outline of the drawing. The second way that you can do it is use that glue as white space. You see me here on the mushroom painting. I'm just filling in the area around it. I actually let the paint dry as well and then went in ahead to make that more opaque too. You can also wet your brush to wipe away any excess paint from the glue itself, but whichever method you choose, let the glue and paint dry completely before layering more on top. Thanks for watching.